How to implement Traffic Up. Implementing Traffic Up code is as easy as 3 steps. First, if you're using AdSense ads on your website, please remove the following codes that contains ads by google.js enclosed with the opening script and the closing script, like this type of codes. For example, this ad tag here, all you need to do is just remove this line here, this ad tag here, and this ad tag, remove this line here. Our Traffic Up script or code already has this preloaded, and you no longer need to have it implemented on your website for AdSense to load JS. If you're using AdSense auto ads or Google Publisher tags, please reach out to Monetize More to give you a custom code implementation. Step 2 is implement the single line of JS code provided by Monetize More before the closing of the body section. So implement this single line of code, usually contains pubguru.net, pg, whatever domain, .js. Step 3, test if the CAPTCHA is working properly by appending the URL with pg_tc equals CAPTCHA. Your website, $pg_tc equals CAPTCHA. Hit enter. If it's working and implemented properly, the CAPTCHA will show. Ads should not load on the background of the CAPTCHA, and ads should load after the CAPTCHA is solved. That's it. Easy peasy. Try our Traffic Up solution and protect your website from invalid activity for a 7-day free trial. Sign up today.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.